today to show you my November design team project for Calico Collage, and the digital kit this month is Golden Christmas. I had a brain fart there. Golden Christmas, and it's gorgeous. It's this vintage, it has birds and Santa. It's just beautiful. Okay, so this is a hardcover book, has 2 signatures. On the front I added this filigree with 25 for the date Christmas, and this beautiful image from the kit, and I layered it with some lace and book page. I still have glue and remnants on my fingers. It's a hidden spine. I did cover the spine with the same lace as right here, and there's the back. It has this fun, kind of funky retro ribbon as the closure. It's kind of fun and different. I've had it in my stash and I've been saving it, and I thought, all right, this is it. But it could easily be switched out with something else. This is listed in my Etsy shop, so go take a look. If you are interested, this journal would make an excellent December daily journal, or a baby book kind of memory journal if someone was born or married or whatever in the month of December. In the front pocket I have a library pocket card and gift list, and that's from the digital kit. I have some Tim Holtz ephemera here at the bottom. You could put to and from if you were gifting this to someone. And here's one of the beautiful images from the kit. Isn't that nice? I love it. Again, hidden spine. So there's some vintage, not vintage, this is more retro fabric here in the spine. And a tuck spot. That beautiful tree from the kit. There's poinsettias throughout the kit, so I added some fabric to the front of this. There's some stenciling. This scrapbook paper is really pretty, has glitter for some extra sparkle. And then instead of doing tabs on the side, I did tabs on the front, or not, that's not the front, the top of the pages, so you'll see those throughout the book. Some music pages. And some more images from the kit. This says wish list. So again, a great December daily journal. Another Santa. Found this beautiful ribbon with pine cones. And I had this ribbon in my stash. Made some tags for journaling. And this is some lace, same lace as on the cover. Another image from the kit. There's some more journaling cards and some stenciling in the back, or actually some stamping. This really cool paper has fibers in it. I thought you could pin different things on it. It's just really fun for a different texture. A fabric ribbon sewn on with some extra thread. This is from a Christmas book. Another tab, a fabric flip. Here's some retro to from stickers. Sorry, they're stickers on this fun trim right here. Here's the center of the first signature with some stars. Man, I have glue all over me. Oh gosh, this fun ribbon. Another tab at the top. I have a little pocket here and this retro book page. Max knew he probably hadn't made Santa's list of good boys and girls this year. Take the time his cousin slept over. Max kicked him out a bit. Not exactly nice. I just thought that was super cute. So I added that there. Some snowflakes and a Santa. A bird from the kit, some lace that I did some stitching on. Here's a journaling card. Some seam binding on the edge of this page. Some lace. The other side of that fun fiber page. Here is a bridge tally card. Pretty cool. I think this is from my Christmas junk journal kit that I ordered from Amore Fabriques. I will add her information down below along with the link for the Calico Collage digital as well. Here I made another tab. This could be a tuck spot, and then it's also a tab for the top. Really cool Santa postcard. Love all the vintage Santas. I love those images. I'll go on in, go to your home. Tim Holtz tag, some really cool scrapbook paper that I thought went perfectly. Little flip right here. Another ephemera piece from the kit. This little postcard for some journaling. Some more lace, another tab. There's another tuck spot. This is from the kit, a beautiful Christmas tree, some stenciling, some other scrapbook paper. Some more, this is perfect for journaling. A glassine bag that's been coffee dyed with a tag. And some more stamping. Another fabric ribbon. Isn't that beautiful? This is scrapbook paper. And another fabric ribbon. This poinsettia with a tuck. This scrapbook paper is really cool. It kind of feels like wallpaper. I really like it. And then I added this kind of flip right here. Could add some pictures to that. Some more of that funky fiber paper. Another journaling card. And then I added this little flip in here. Love the Santa. One of the birds. Another little tuck spot with a journaling card that I made. Toys, you could list what everyone wants for Christmas. Journaling cards, a little tuck spot, another little tab at the top. Here's the second signature, the center with some stars and that gold ribbon. Here's another tree to kind of go with the tree paper. And some more journaling cards tucked in here with this bird. Other side of that little flip journal page. And then on this one I have a belly band and a vintage Santa, and I thought these were really cool. So I added those. Here is a journaling card. It says from and to, Merry Christmas. And there's the back of the journal. Isn't that pretty? Love all the colors for Christmas. All right, again, this is listed in my Etsy shop. Check out Amore Fabriques for some really cool journaling supplies, and also check out Calico Collage to find the beautiful digitals. And I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.